Hi guys, let's make my Halloween costume for 2021.
Brad is allowing me to do the commentary for this video. So, let's get on with it. These cardboard strips are a little too stiff and hard for this application, so we're going to wrap them around this dowel, and hopefully that will make them a little more flaccid. Bradford is laying this line of hot glue to join the two edges together, but on top of that, to increase its integrity, he applies glue in the corner as well. Hey, before you pinch off that loaf, let us give you a little more explanation. Let's split these pieces of bread so Brad can eventually get in between. He can use those ropes as shoulder harnesses. Let's add the finishing details. So unfortunately, we didn't do any filming at the Halloween time. But out of 250 plus people, not one guessed this costume. And I'm not a Manwhich. I'm inbred. Yeehaw!